This is the best 4G LTE mini tracker GPS, introducing the SafeTag Mini 4G, brought to you by Product Critique. Let me take you on a quick but insightful journey into why this compact powerhouse is a game-changer for tracking vehicles, assets, and more. Picture something no larger than two AA batteries placed side by side. That's the SafeTag Mini 4G, measuring just 1.38 by 0.79 by 2.76 inches. Or roughly 2 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters, and weighing a mere 2.22 ounces. Its miniature size makes it incredibly easy to conceal in tight spaces within cars, motorbikes, or even personal belongings. Under the hood, it's a technological marvel. You get full 4G LTE connectivity plus multi-gene support, GPS, BeiDou, GLONASS, for accurate, real-time positioning. M2M SIM card means the tracker can connect seamlessly to the strongest available networks, so you're never left in the dark. Battery life? Surprisingly impressive. On standby, it can last up to 20 days, but with typical usage of a couple of hours of movement per day. Users generally experience between 2 and 6 days of battery life between charges. One reason you'll love it is the suite of smart alerts it offers. You'll get instant notifications for geofence breaches, movement, low battery, and overspeeding, all delivered via the accompanying SafeTag app on iOS or Android. Add to that its fast USB-C charging, LED display, and support for up to 12 months of route history, and you've got a feature-packed tracker with excellent flexibility. Another plus: there's a 7-day free trial included, no credit card or payment required up front, so you can test it before deciding whether to subscribe. Once the trial ends, subscriptions start at around $5.99 per month with an annual plan, or $6.99 if you choose a cancel anytime monthly plan. No activation or cancellation fees. Setup is seamless. Activate your SafeTag Mini 4G instantly via the website, mobile app, or web app, and you're ready to start tracking. And with customer support claiming replies within 8 hours from English-speaking, onshore staff, help is always just a click away. Geographically speaking, the device supports coverage across numerous zones: USA, Canada, Mexico, and global coverage options, letting you tailor your plan to suit your needs and budget. To sum up, the SafeTag Mini 4G is a compact yet powerful GPS tracker offering reliable 4G connectivity, multi-genes accuracy, excellent battery life, real-time alerts, ample history logging, flexible global coverage, and a no-commitment free trial, making it an outstanding choice for discreet and dependable tracking. That wraps up the review of the best 4G LTE mini tracker GPS. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth tech reviews from Product Critique.